Many make money online enthusiasts, especially beginners, are interested in affiliate marketing. This is because you promote and sell a company's product or service and you get a commission in return. You don't worry about customer support, fulfillment, inventory, etc. When you set it up correctly, it can be a source of passive income that you get working from home. However, most affiliate marketers don't make any money. This is because they're using an ineffective strategy. If you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, make sure to watch till the end. Before you create content for your YouTube channel, Instagram, website, TikTok, Google Ads marketing campaign, etc., you usually need to decide what specific type of products or services you want to promote. By doing so, your content and marketing fall within what is called a niche, and you should stick to that niche until your affiliate marketing reaches a certain level of success in terms of sales. If you try to go after multiple niches at once, you will likely create shallow content that doesn't bring back visitors or viewers. This will limit your success as an affiliate marketer. The success of your affiliate marketing business is, to a great extent, based on the quality of the content that you create. That is why you should focus a lot on creating and publishing high quality content and continuously. Besides being accurate and giving value, your content should include, among others, engaging call to actions. You can quickly see how effective your content is in its ability to draw in readers and inducing low bounce rate. Other characteristics of an effective content include being informative, easily readable, and answering visitors' or viewers' questions. You could also include interactive features such as search bars or tags, which will help you know where to direct your effort. As your website, YouTube channel, Instagram, or TikTok gains more visitors or viewers, you should notice certain patterns in the way your audience engages with your content. More specifically, certain pages, topics, etc., are going to draw more visits or views, interactions, and conversions than others. Based on this data, create more of the content that gets more visits, views, engagement. Use the same set of data to edit your old content to make it more targeted to your audience interests. This way, your business will grow faster with more visits, views, engagement, and conversions or sales. Before you promote any products or services, you should have enough knowledge about them to discuss them extensively in your content. Whenever possible, try your affiliate products or services before producing content about them. Knowing what others in your niche are saying about your chosen affiliate products or services will also increase the effectiveness of your content. Discuss your content with your audience by asking questions and starting a conversation at the end of your pieces of content. This is because you give your audience a reason to engage with and return to your web pages, YouTube channel, or TikTok, etc. In order for you to get many sales, you should first build credibility with your audience through your content. When you focus on conversions or sales right from the get go, the traffic to your web pages or social media accounts will tend to be inconsistent. Publishing in depth content that gives value first will establish your credibility faster. When your audience sees your content as a source of knowledge and honesty, your authority will build quickly, and conversions tend to accrue when authority is built in your niche. Thanks for watching.